Hello everyone and welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn a new sound. But before we move on to anything new, let's repeat our previous sounds. Try saying them yourself. Now let's listen to me please. S, a, t, e, p, k, k, e. These are the sounds that we have done so far, and if you are good till here, so you deserve to learn a new sound. So let's begin our today's lesson with a story. Listen to the story carefully because the sound is hiding here. It is the school's summer fun day. In the morning, the children do fun things in the classroom, and in the afternoon, there are races. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet are in the hopping race. Mr. Heath starts the race. 1, 2, 3, go! He shouts and waves his hat in the air. Helen, Harry, Hanif, and Harriet hop as fast as they can. It is a hot day and hopping is a hard work. Harriet is huffing and puffing by the time she finishes. Miss Hopkins gives everyone huge drinks. In the whole story, there was a sound that I made separately. Can you try to think for the sound and say it louder? Yes, that was the huffing and puffing sound of Helen, and the sound was try to huff like this. And this is our today's sound. Isn't it fun? Now please stand up, pretend as if you are having a hopping race and huff aloud. When you're huffing, please hold your hand in front of your mouth and pretend as if you are out of breath and say, just like this boy. Wow, I believe you are doing great. So now as you know the sound, it's the time to see how do we write it, how do we form it. And for that, hold your finger up in the air and start moving it with me. Straight down, up, round and down. After writing, say try it once again, please. Straight down, up and round. Right? Hope you have got it very nicely. So now let's try writing it in your notebooks, or if you have this worksheet, go ahead and do it quickly yourself. Don't forget to say the sound after writing. Let's get started. And now in the lines, start from the red line to the blue line, round and down. Remember that has a taller stick than They both are alike, but they have the difference in the stick. Is taller than You have some pictures here. Hanger, hospital, hand. Have you done it? Kudos! Well done. Here is our second worksheet. And you know better that on this worksheet we need to circle the things in which we hear the sound. So are you ready? Pause the video, try doing it yourself, and later check the answers with me. Hen, candle, hen, candle, hen. We hear h in hen. Hat, ball. Hat, ball. Hat. Torch, hand. Torch, hand. Hand. Hammer, comb. Hammer, comb. Hammer. Hamster, bear. Hamster, bear. Hamster. And there you go. Wow. I hope you have done all these things correctly. If not, you can listen to the sounds again and then can circle the right pictures. Dan, let's clap for yourself. And here is our another worksheet. Please find out the sound in the pictures, and if you hear, please make a check that is like this, and if you don't hear, make a cross in these circles. Got you? Get started. Hotel. 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 I hear it. Noodles. Noodles. I don't hear in noodles. Hoodie. 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 Yeah, I hear it. Soup. Soup. No in soup. Hot dog. Hot dog. Yes, I hear in hot dog. Frog. Frog. No in frog. And we did it! Now, if you want to draw something with the sound at the beginning, go ahead and draw it. For example, a hand, a hen, a hamster, or whatever you want to do, but it must have in it, right? Now it's the time for the most important part, and it's blending. Please try to read these words with me. A, hat, hat. Quickly. Hat. E, he, s, hiss. Quickly. Hiss. E, he, t, hit. Quickly. Hit. A, ha, hen. Quickly. Hen. A, ha, k, hack. Quickly. Hack. Voila, we are done with blending. You are so good at this. Now it's time for some segmenting practice. Please take out your notebooks and start writing these words. The first word is hit. Hit. Try to sound out the words on your fingers and put the sound dots. Hit. Hit. A. T. Hit. Now let's write the sounds. A. T. Hit. Wow. The next word is hen. Hen. Try to sound it out on your fingers. What is the first sound? Ha. Ha. So after we hear a. Ha. Hen. Hen. We have the n sound at the end. Now let's write it. e, he, hen. Let's try to write the word pack. Pack. Sound dots, please. First sound is pa. After p, a, pa. K, k, k. After a, we will write two-letter k. Don't forget it. Now let's write the sounds. P, a, pa. K, pack. And there you go. Have you written these words like this? Well done, you deserve 3 stars. Kudos. And with this, we are towards the end of our lesson, but don't forget to do this as your homework. Say the names of these pictures and find out the sound where you find color in those pictures, and the pictures that don't have leave them as it is. The names of the pictures are house, glass, horse, flag, honey. You can listen to it again and select the right pictures. Another thing that you can do at home is find out 5 objects around you that have sound in them, and then for an activity you can color your hands and make an artwork with that. You can either make a circle, you can either just print it on paper, and later you can stick it on your cupboard or your classroom door or your room's door. And that's all for our today's lesson. I hope you have got something useful from it. If yes, so please click the like and subscribe button. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.